In assignment 10, we're going to talk about fees for buying and selling stock and how it affects your proceeds or your profits. So in example 1, it says Lee made 2 trades through his online discount broker WeTrade. WeTrade charges a fee of $12 per trade. Lee's first purchase was for $3,456 and his second purchase later in the day was for $2,000. How much did he spend on the day's purchases, including broker fees? So basically, what did he spend in total? So, well, how much did he spend in broker fees? Well, he had 2 trades. He made the first trade for this much, which cost him $12, and he made the second trade for this much, which also cost him $12. So you can see that he paid $24 in broker's fees. But that's not what he spent total, because you have to include the cost for each trade as well, the total spent on each trade. So the sum of his purchases, you add those two up, $34.56 and $2,000, to get $5,456, and then you simply add in what he paid in fees to get his total cost, which would be $5,480. So let's work through one together. It says Garrett made 2 trades in one day with his discount broker that charges $7 per trade. Garrett's first purchase was for $1,790, and his second purchase was for $8,456. How much did he spend, including his broker fees? Well, he made 2 trades at $7 per trade, so 17 times 2 would be $34 in fees for his trades. And then his purchases, the first one was for $1,790, and the other one was for $8,456. So what he purchased in total, that ain't right, would be $10,246 plus the $34 in fees, gave him a total of $10,280. That was his total. That's how much he spent during the day in total. Okay, so Adriana purchased $7,000 worth of stock from a broker at Tensor Brokerage. The current value of Adriana's portfolio is $11,567. What broker fee must she pay? So sometimes they're going to break down the fees based on different things. Could be based on how much money you have in your account with them. That's the portfolio value. If it's less than $250, or if it's more than $250 based on this particular broker's fee schedule, then the cost for the trades are different. The cost to buy and sell stock are different. And they also give you different avenues on how to buy and sell that stock. It could be an online trade where you go on the computer and you place that trade. You could do a trade. You could place an order over the telephone, or you could actually call a broker and the broker could assist you in the trade. So, and you can see that different avenues of placing that trade would cost you different amounts, including whether or not you had $250,000 in your account or not. So the costs are different. So you have to make sure that you're looking at the right column. It says she purchased $7,000's worth from a broker, so she's using the broker. The current value of her portfolio is $11,000, so she's going to be under the $250. What broker fee must she pay? So she's paying 5% commission plus the online fee of $15. So to figure out how much she paid, we need to figure out the 5% of the trade, which was $7,000. So remember, 5% is the same, 0.5% is the same as 0.005 as a decimal. So if you take that and multiply it times the trade amount, which was $7,000, but then you also have to add in the $15 online fee to get the total cost. So 0.005 times 7,000 is $35, plus the $15 online fee gives her a total fee of $50. So let's work this one. Jared has a portfolio of $500,000, so he's already going to be over the $250,000 mark. We know that. He made 10 telephone trades during the past year. and he sold $50,000 worth of stock, what was his total broker fee for the year? So he's using the automated telephone trades. He made 10 trades. Okay, and his portfolio value is over 250. So he gets the online fee. That's $12 per trade for 10 trades. So $12 per trade for 10 trades is $120. Plus $9.50 per trade. So if he made 10 trades at the $9.50, that's going to be $95. So follow me here. He made 10 trades, automated. Here's his portfolio value. It was over 250. So the online fee was $12 per trade. So he made 10 trades, $12 per trade. That's $120 plus $9.50 per trade. So it'd be $120 plus the $95. And if you add those up, you get $215. That was his total broker's fees for the year. All right, moving on. Last scenario we'll talk about. Erin purchased $23,510 worth of stock and paid her broker a 1% broker fee. She sold when the stock price increased to $27,300 and used a discount broker who charged her a $21 per trade fee. Compute her net proceeds. So what we got to do is figure out how much it cost her to purchase the stock, including the broker fees. Figure out how much it cost her, how much she netted when she sold the stock, minus the broker fee, and then see what the difference is. So the purchase cost was $23,510, and she also paid a 1% broker fee. So 1%, remember 1% is 0.01 as a decimal. So 0.01 times the trade amount, which was $23,510, and that gave her her total cost when she purchased. This is what she spent. $23,510 for the stock, and then the broker's fee was $23,510 times the 1%. And you add them up and you get that, $23,745.10. When she sold the stock, the broker's fee was deducted from the sale of the proceeds of the price. Find Erin's sale proceeds. So when she sold it for $27,300, but she paid a $21 fee. So that comes off that price, off that value. So she netted $27,279 when she sold it. So we got this number. That's what it cost her to purchase it. This is what she put in her pocket when she sold it. The difference, you just simply take what she sold it for minus what she paid for it, and this would be her net proceeds. $3,533.90. All right.